The amino acid-derived hormones are small molecules that are derived from the amino acid tyrosine and tryptophan. Examples of amino acid-derived hormones include epinephrine and norepinephrine, which are synthesized in the medulla adrenal glands, and tyrosine, which is produced by the thyroid gland. The pineal gland in the brain makes and secretes melatonin, which regulates sleep cycle.
Hi, I am Yihui, and I would like to explain about epinephrine and norepinephrine and how they work on the fight or flight response. Epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, is a hormone released from the adrenal medulla in response to stress. Norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, is released into the bloodstream by adrenal glands and works together with epinephrine for fight or flight response. This is the chemical structure of epinephrine, and this is the chemical structure of norepinephrine. During the fight or flight response, the hypothalamus activates body sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system stimulates the adrenal medulla to trigger the release of two types of hormone. First, epinephrine, second, norepinephrine, into the bloodstream. After the trait is gone, it takes about 20 to 60 minutes for the body to return to its normal state. When the fight or flight response has kicked in, these conditions may happen. First of all, rapid heartbeat and breathing. This is to provide energy and oxygen to the body to fuel a rapid response to the danger. Second, pale skin. Blood flows to the surface area of body is reduced and flow to the muscles, brain, legs and arm are increased. The blood clotting ability also increases in order to prevent blood loss in the event of injury. Third, dilated pupil. This is to allow more light in the eyes and result in better vision of the surrounding. Lastly, trembling muscles. The muscles become tense for actions. Thank you.
What is tyrosine? Tyrosine benefits are enormous. Tyrosine is the most 20 standard amino acid used to synthesize proteins. It is used in made up of neurotransmitter. The amino acid tyrosine may be used to support the adrenal and thyroid gland function during time of stress. Tyrosine has been reported to elevate the mood, increase cognitive ability, and physical performance. Where tyrosine can get from: first, egg white; second, banana; third, avocado; and lastly, cottage cheese.
Hello guys, I'm Brandon Ng Boon Ping. Now I will continue to discuss on melatonin towards you guys. It's a hormone produced by the pineal gland among other locations, which regulates wakefulness. Melatonin also plays an important role in the regulation of sleep-awake cycles. This is the molecule of the melatonin. Now let's continue. There is no light enter to our eyes. The eye will send signal to the slice will send signal to the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is the SCN, and the message will be sent to the superior cervical ganglion. This message will further diverge to the pineal gland, and in the pineal gland they will have process of creating melatonin. This melatonin, at first in the pineal gland, it is started as a tryptophan, inside the body, inside the pineal gland. And when this tryptophan made up, it will further transform to 5th hydroxide tryptophan, which is 5-HTP. Next, they will start to transform to the serotonin inside the pineal gland, and further transform to N-acetylcholine, and lastly became the melatonin. And this melatonin will be released into our body, and we will feel drowsy and sleepy in this process.
My name is Zafri. Today I'm gonna explain about tryptophan.
So tryptophan is an alpha amino acid that is used in biosynthesis of protein. Tryptophan is contain an alpha amino group and alpha carboxylic acid group and a side chain in nodal, making it non-polar aromatic amino acid. The function of tryptophan is used as building block in protein biosynthesis. It's also less common amino acid found in protein. Reduce play roles in occurring membrane protein within the cell membrane. In addition, the function as a biochemical precursor for compounds such as serotonin, melatonin, niacin, and auxin. To get tryptophan, so because human can't synthesize tryptophan in their body, so we can get it from diet and also food that contain tryptophan, which is high of protein, which is chicken, chocolate, peanut, and cheese. Tryptophan can have plenty of health benefit, but the supplement can cause a number of unpleasant side effects in people. Most common side effect, which is dry mouth, stomach pain, heartburn, and last one is headache.
So in conclusion, the amino acid tyrosine is the precursor for two groups of hormones: the thyroid hormones produced in the thyroid gland, epinephrine and norepinephrine produced in the adrenal medulla. The amino acid tryptophan is the precursor for the hormone melatonin, which is secreted by the pineal gland.